First, create a cone and then decrease the vertices to 4. Increase the first radius to have the shape you want. You can also set the depth if you want. Scale it as you wish. Download the Sandstone Cracks texture. I put a link in the description below. Then select the EXR file and the RAF and diff files. Put them all in the material of the pyramid in the shader tab. Link the color of the diff file to the base color. Now link the color of the RAF file onto the roughness. Link the normal EXR file onto normal and put a normal map node in between. You can adjust the strength. Then we're gonna put a bump node in between. And on this bump node height, we're gonna link the color of a brick texture. Press Ctrl T to control the orientation of the brick texture. If Ctrl T doesn't work, just add the Node Wrangler add-on. Link the UV onto the vector of the mapping. Scale the brick texture as you wish to have as many bricks as you want. Then go in the UV editing tab, click on the arrows, right-click, unwrap, then Smart UV Project. Now in the mapping node, type 90 for the Z rotation. Eventually you can put a light to see your pyramid. And that's all for today.